If you've ever scrolled through your Instagram feed and thought, I could be making money from this, you're not alone. Instagram offers real opportunities to earn, whether you're aiming for a little extra pocket money or a full-fledged business. In this video, we'll share 8 practical tips for how to make money on Instagram. Implement them, and you can join the ranks of those who have successfully turned their Instagram activity into a revenue stream. Ready to earn money from Instagram? The methods that may suit you best will depend on your unique style of Instagram content, target audience, and dedication. 1. Create sponsored posts for brands. You can use your Instagram profile to promote all kinds of products from different brands. Brands typically work with Instagram influencers who have an active and loyal following. To get your profile noticed, you must grow your following and consistently create posts that engage your audience. Keep in mind that it takes a long time and a lot of hard work and talent to get to this point. Achieving influencer status is certainly possible, but it's important to manage your expectations should you choose this path. As an Instagram influencer, it's extremely important for you to know your audience. You need to understand who these people are, their interests, values, needs, and wants. This way, you know which brands would best fit them. If you have an Instagram business account, you can analyze your audience stats through the Instagram Insights feature. As you're building your profile, try to collaborate with brands that align with your personality and values. Reach out to them directly, through Instagram or their websites, and try to negotiate a deal. You can also list yourself on an influencer marketplace to increase your chances of being found by a big brand. 2. Become an affiliate. Another way to make money from Instagram is to sell other people's products for a commission. Many Instagrammers make money this way. You can explore different affiliate programs and sign up for one that aligns with your interests and audience. The difference between an influencer and an affiliate is that an affiliate works toward making sales for the partnering brand in exchange for a commission. In contrast, the influencer primarily aims to raise brand awareness. It's important to create engaging posts to promote the products without coming across as pushy. Since you can only have one link in your Instagram bio, you might want to connect a landing page to your affiliate link. You can quickly set this up using a link in bio tool like LinkPop. In each post, make it clear that people can purchase the product via the link in your bio, and craft a fun Instagram caption to make the message less promotional. 3. Become a virtual assistant for an influencer. If you'd rather work behind the scenes, consider becoming an assistant to an Instagram influencer. Many influencers need help with tasks like filtering sponsorship requests, running ads, and identifying fake followers. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant, VA, charging an hourly rate. As a VA for an Instagram influencer, you'll manage a range of tasks including DMs, post scheduling, and comment replies. The influencer may also ask for content ideas to help grow their personal brand. So if you've always wanted to hone your Instagram marketing skills without being the center of attention, this is a great place to start. 4. Sell Instagram caption services. Many small business owners use Instagram to promote their goods and services, but only a few of them have the resources or expertise to write good Instagram captions. If you're good at coming up with creative Instagram captions, you can offer Instagram marketing services to these companies. Just remember, they'll judge you by your ability to write engaging short-form copy. To get the attention of business owners, write and put up some captions on your own account. Then include the ones that generate the most engagement in your portfolio. Chances are, if a business is going to hire you to craft its Instagram copy, it is going to want to see your work. So make sure you have some examples to show. 5. Sell photos and other virtual products. Instagram is all about the visuals. That's why beautiful products and photos will get more sales. You can sell poster photos, paintings, drawings, animations, videos, and other virtual products. On each post, include an interesting caption and refer readers to visit the link in your bio. If your pictures are high quality, there's a chance that you can get paid for them. Once you snap some great shots, use the best photo editing apps to get the most out of the photos that you take. Try to be original, creative, and fun when you're taking pictures. Interesting photos will get way more attention than boring ones. 6. Sell dropship products. Dropshipping allows you to run a store without holding any inventory. After a sale, your supplier ships the products directly from their warehouse to the customer's doorstep. No need to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. It's all taken care of. This model is similar to our previous idea of earning money by selling products on Instagram. The only difference is that you won't need to store any inventory. Dropshipping allows you to experiment with niche products that could sell well, all without needing startup capital. There you have it, our 6 tips for making money on your Instagram theme page in 2023. Remember, building a profitable Instagram page takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and dedication, it's absolutely possible. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.